Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Temper, Flex Work and Gigs app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Temper is a flexible work platform designed to connect individuals with short-term, shift-based job opportunities. The app helps users find gigs in hospitality, logistics, retail, events, and other industries where businesses frequently require temporary staff. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering a streamlined way to browse open shifts, check hourly pay, review job requirements, and book work that fits your schedule. The app's main feature is its shift marketplace. Users can pick from available gigs, apply instantly, and get approved quickly depending on employer needs. Temper emphasizes worker independence, allowing you to choose when, where, and how often you want to work. It also provides transparent rates, built-in work tracking, and a review system to maintain accountability between workers and businesses. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app for its flexibility, competitive pay rates, and straightforward onboarding. It's especially useful for students, part-time earners, freelancers, or anyone seeking additional income. Users also like the variety of shifts and the ability to build experience in multiple fields without long-term commitment. However, there are some drawbacks. Popular shifts can get booked very quickly, creating competition among workers. The availability of gigs can also vary widely depending on your location. Some users report occasional last-minute cancellations from employers or changes in shift details. In addition, the app requires consistent internet access, and earnings depend entirely on shift availability and acceptance. In summary, the Temper app may be worth using if you want access to flexible, short-term work, transparent pay, and a wide variety of gig opportunities. However, if you prefer stable hours, guaranteed schedules, or long-term employment, it might not be the ideal option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.